What's up, guys? So I didn't get to show you guys what I did yesterday on the car. Of like I was such in a rush because they were closing up because we had to put the window in. But let me give you a whole walkthrough of the car. I didn't even show you the biggest thing that we did while it was gone for so long. I ended up converting the car to stick. So the car is manual now, and I just put in a new wheel, so the wheel looks fresh and minty. We're gonna go ahead and clean up the interior now next after we polish the car. But the car is looking flawless. The trans ended up taking like a crap, so I ended up swapping everything over. And it's about to be, everything's coming together now. We're gonna clean up the car now, and it's gonna transform a lot. But yes, the car is manual now, so it's a driver's car. So I had to come today because we closed early, but before I even get into the channel, I wanted to show you some of the cars that they have at his facility. So you can see it's just like crazy amount of cars in here, and they're like storage as well. You got a Countach, this as well. Over. It's crazy, bro. Z8, P1. I'm pretty sure this is a kit car. I don't think this is a real one. But if it is, it's hard, but I'm pretty sure this is a kit car. Go over here. LFA, F40. This is just like some of the stuff you'll see out here. It's crazy. And he services like all these cars too. So yeah, I don't know if you know what this is. It's a McLaren setup. Yeah, this is super rare. But they got more stuff out here. Turbo S. Over there. Look. These are super rare now. These are like super hard to find. I would love to get one of these. It's 2002 over here. We got a GMC back there. Man, this is super rare, dude. These cars right here are like... When these shits came out, I thought these cars were so ugly, but now they kind of grown. I'm like, these shits are kind of hard. Like that, yeah, like, wouldn't you like that? Yeah. What, my cousin?
Yeah.
No, my boy. That's not my cousin. It's my boy. He has a 993. A Pantera. Another McLaren. I don't know if you guys seen a video on this car. It's actually pretty crazy. It has a E90 V8 motor swap into it. I'm not sure if it's stick or not. Oh, it is stick, yeah. So that's pretty much it. Compounds out here.
I'm feeling high.